So, sound test part 2. Part 2. We still have the Zoom H2N. The only difference in that is we've adjusted the gain, I think, to 40% from 50%. We have, for the moment, removed the Zoom H1N from the picture, and we've also removed the Sena omnidirectional mic from the picture, and we have the Rode Go omnidirectional mic plugged directly into the DJI Osmo. So we'll see how that works for the remainder of the ride, and take it from there. Gravel here. That's a nice wee breather though. I think what I'm going to do is nip across the borders to the A1, take a wide short hop up the A1 and nip back through via Duns and things like that. All routes that are familiar to me, but what the hell. Placate the wife. To Orkney in June, I think it's mid-June, to visit my brother-in-law, who is unfortunately in the grave in Orkney, visiting him, and going up sort of almost like the west coast NC 500-ish, not Permanent, before getting the ferry across Gills Bay. And really looking forward to those 3 or 4 days on the way up, 3 days in Orkney and then back with Susan. But I'm also interested to see how we get on in terms of packing, luggage and stuff like that, because this is in some respects decision time for, do I get the additional luggage rack for on the top box to allow extra capacity, because I'm hoping to go to Europe next year on a tour for anywhere between 10 and 15 days. So it'll be interesting to see how that works out. Personally, I just can't see Susan being able to deal with just that bag. I don't know, it's just me. I think she'll need more, but I can probably get by with the one little bag and the wee bit fit in the second, because tech and security has to go in the left hand one. If I can maybe fit a little something in there, but basically I've got the pannier on the right is mine, the top box is hers, which is double the capacity that I've got, so I'm interested to see how we do at Orkney.